So now let's see how we can work around with letter spacing and line spacing inside a Pixlr Designer. So over here you can see that I have a text, and then if I want to go around and then change around the line spacing of the text, then you can use this slider right here. So what line spacing does is it changes out the space. It adds in a space in between multiple lines of text right here, just like this. You can reduce and increase the amount of line right here. You can also go around and add in a value right here, like 150 right here, and there's addition of particular line right here. Apart from that, you can go around and change around the letter spacing as well. So you can go around and squeeze them together or add in space in between letters right here. And this is what you have, as you can see. So you can go around and type in, let's say, for example, 50, and there's a letter spacing over here. And that is how you can work around with line spacing and letter spacing inside a Pixlr Designer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.